Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is field dependency. Field dependency are filters that allow us to change the contents of a pick list based on the value of another field. If the value of one field control the value of another field, then we call it as field dependency. Controlling field should be a pick list or checkbox. We cannot define multi-select pick list as controlling field. Dependent field can be pick list or multi-select. Value selected in controlling field affects the value available in the dependent field. We can define default values for controlling field, but we cannot define default fields for dependent fields. Steps to create field dependency: setup, build, create objects, choose object, custom fields and relationships, field dependency, and click new. Step 1, choose controlling field. Step 2, choose dependent field. Step 3, select the options. Step 4, save. Example. For example, let's take student object. There are fields like first name, last name, address, country is a pick list and state is a pick list. So here country would be controlling field and state would be dependent field. When we choose a particular country, its related state would be displayed in state pick list. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to log in. So for creating the field dependency on student object, just clicking on student object, this object we had created in our previous session. Let's see what the fields are there. There are student name, first name, last name, address is there. First we need to create two fields of type pick list, that is country and state. For creating these fields, we need to click on setup, build, create objects, choose object student, custom fields and relationships, click new. Choose pick list, click on new. First I am providing country and providing the values India, second one USA, field name I am providing country and clicking on next. Establish field level security, clicking on next and save and new. Again for the second field I have to choose the data type pick list, clicking on next, providing the field level state and entering the values is KE Karnataka, TN Telangana, MH Maharashtra, UP Uttar Pradesh, Alabama, Alaska, then clicking on next. establish field level security, clicking on next, finally clicking on save button. So here we are able to see country and state is there. These data types are pick list, both of them. Country underscore underscore C is API name and state underscore underscore C API name of state. Now we have to click on field dependency, clicking on new. So controlling field is country and dependent field is state. State is dependent on country. If there is no country, there is no state. So clicking on continue. Here what the values we had given while creating the pick list, those all the values are coming over here. So for India, which value I have to take, that is Karnataka, Telangana. By holding the control button, you can select more than one. These states are coming under India like Karnataka, Telangana, Maharashtra, UP, and for USA these two states are there. And finally clicking on include values means it's included. You can also see the preview, like when you are choosing the country India, then it's coming India state, Karnataka, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and when you are choosing USA, then USA states are coming. It's fine. Then click on save button. This field dependency is created. So coming to our students object, clicking on new. Here we can see that in the country, if I am selecting India, then India's state is active here, and if I am going with USA, then USA states are active. So this is field dependency. Thank you.